Welcome to the introduction of Microsoft 365 Word, Layout tab, Page Setup, and Paragraph Groups, Part 9 of 12 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library, narrated by Gloria. Table of Contents, Margarines, Orientation, Size, Columns, Breaks, Line Numbers, Hyphenation, Paragraph indents left and right, spacing before and after. If anyone needs instructions on how to have two windows open at the same time, please see Microsoft 365 Word, Video 1. Layout tab. Clicking margarine opens a dialog box. Select a margarine setting that best complements the document. Clicking Custom Margarine opens the Page Setup dialog box. Set margarines, including gutter and gutter position. Gutter margarines adds extra space to the side, top, or inside margarines for binding. Select paper size and paper source. Click Print Options to open Word options. Click on the box and a check mark will appear in the box indicating the feature has been enabled, turned on. Select New Page. New section starts on a new page. Continuous. New section starts on the same page. Even page. New section starts on the next even numbered page. Odd page. New section starts on the next odd numbered page. Click the box next to Add Line Numbering. Decide the starting point, count, and if the numbers restart on each page or run continuously. The numbers will be displayed on the left side of the screen and automatically update when you add or remove lines. Select style, including how you want the borders displayed. Select border color and border width. Border page is very similar to borders except for the art selections. Scroll to see the full selections. Adjust the margin from the edge of the page or the text. Preview will display the changes. If the pattern style selection box reads clear, the color field will remain grayed out and cannot be selected. You must select a style in order to enable the color feature. Orientation. Select page layout. Size. Preset paper size. Clicking more paper sizes opens the same page setup dialog box you opened when you clicked on custom margarines. Clicking on this small arrow also opens the page setup dialog box. Columns. Columns dialog box. Select the number of columns, width, and spacing. Preview will display the changes. Breaks. Select Page in the menu and the page break will automatically be added. Line numbers. Line numbers are great reference points, especially if you're working with someone else creating the same document. Select Automatic, and if needed at the right margin, Word will insert a hyphen before moving to the next line. Indent. Left indent and the text moves to the right. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Right indent and the text moves to the left. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Spacing adjusts the space before or after paragraphs. Click on the small arrow below the paragraph dialog box. Once you have selected the spacing, you can apply the setting to this document only or set as the default settings for all documents. Fruitland Park Library. This concludes the introduction to Microsoft 365 Word, Layout tab, Page Setup, and Paragraph Groups, part 9 of 12 parts. Thank you for joining us for part 9. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial and will be joining us for the remaining parts 10 through 12 of Microsoft Word 365. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this tutorial, please contact gloria.terry@mylinklibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.